In this video, you'll learn how to set up international shipping on eBay. By following these steps, you will enable buyers from other countries to purchase your items, expanding your market reach significantly. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled My eBay. Within this area, locate and select the selling option. From there, click on Listings to view your current items for sale. Choose the specific item you wish to edit, or alternatively, you can create a new listing from scratch. As you scroll down the listing form, find the shipping details section where you can configure your shipping options. In the shipping details section, look for the international shipping settings. You will see an option labeled Add International Shipping option. Click on this option to enable international buyers to purchase your item. This step is crucial as it opens up your listing to a broader audience beyond your local market. Next, you will need to select the international shipping services you wish to offer. Options may include standard international shipping or expedited services, depending on your preferences. Enter the shipping cost manually if you have a fixed price in mind, or you can opt for calculated shipping, which adjusts based on the buyer's location. Additionally, you can specify which countries you are willing to ship to. Many sellers find the global shipping program beneficial as it simplifies the shipping process for international orders. After entering all relevant shipping information, it is essential to save your settings. Once saved, take a moment to preview the listing. This preview will allow you to verify that the international shipping options are displayed correctly. Buyers from the countries you selected should now be able to view your listing with the appropriate shipping details. Keep an eye on your seller dashboard to monitor any international orders that come in. Finally, always ensure that you provide tracking information for international shipments. Good shipping practices not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also contribute to building your reputation as a reliable seller. Effective shipping strategies can significantly improve your global sales and help you grow your business in the international marketplace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.